Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the FiiO Snowsky Disc Music Player, a device that feels like pure nostalgia, but with a modern 2026 upgrade. At first glance, it reminds you of those old portable CD players, but this one is actually a high-resolution digital music player built for people who love offline, distraction-free listening. The design is easily the first highlight. The disc-inspired circular body looks futuristic and retro at the same time, and it feels solid in the hand with satisfying clicky buttons instead of touchscreen menus. There's a small display for track info and battery, keeping everything simple and clean. What really matters, though, is the sound. The Snowsky delivers clear, balanced audio with tight bass, natural vocals, and crisp highs that don't get tiring. It supports lossless formats and uses micro SD storage, so you can carry your full music library anywhere without worrying about streaming apps. Overall, the FiiO Snowsky is perfect for music lovers who want a stylish, dedicated player that focuses on one thing: great sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.